Nestled on a premium pie-shaped lot, 1/3 of an acre in size, and which backs onto a lush ravine setting. Welcome to 12 Donwoods Crescent, an impressive 5+2 bedroom executive home with 6 washrooms and a triple car garage within the prestigious Forestview Estates enclave of Whitby's Taunton North community. A magnificent presence on the street, the front yard has been landscaped with stone interlocking surrounding the driveway. Above the stone portico is a faux balcony, and gardens line the exterior front wall of a huge stone terrace, all complementing the stone front facade and enhancing the outstanding curb appeal of this brick home, which showcases almost 5,800 square feet of fully updated interior living space. The tiled flooring of the spacious foyer is continued into its related side hall, and dark hardwood flooring finishes a home office found directly off the foyer. The office also featuring windows with custom roller shades, a coffered ceiling, and a French door entry, while the side hall has a coat closet, as well as a powder room with separate toilet and vanity areas, the vanity itself finished with a stone counter. Hardwood flooring is showcased throughout the main level, as are large windows with transoms for an abundance of natural light. 10-foot ceilings accentuate the airy spaciousness of the principal rooms, which have the added brightness of either pot lighting or upgraded modern light fixtures, with the dining area illuminated by the glow of an exquisite chandelier. And sharing an open layout with the living room, both spaces enjoy views of the lush tree canopy of the adjacent ravine setting. These entertaining spaces have direct access into the kitchen, which can also be accessed via a side hall from the reception area. Showcasing a stunning custom design with exceptional functionality and storage, the kitchen features an island with dark-colored base cabinets, seating, pendant lighting, and a stainless steel double sink, stone counters and glass-tiled backsplashes, stainless steel appliances including a range hood, 6-burner gas range, a dishwasher, and a French door fridge. While its timeless, light-colored cabinetry has extended height uppers with valance lighting and crown moldings, a pantry and servery area, plus the added convenience and storage of a large walk-in pantry. The adjacent family room has a waffle ceiling enhancing the aura of grandeur of this generously sized entertaining space, plus the coziness of a gas fireplace. And with the added warmth of a mainly southern exposure here and in the breakfast area, both of these rooms, which enjoy backyard and ravine views, have light diffusing blinds on their windows that also provide privacy when needed. The breakfast area walkout opens onto a large raised deck with plenty of space for outdoor entertaining that overlooks a huge backyard that can accommodate a basketball or tennis court plus an in-ground pool. The deck has stairs down to a massive stone patio that offers even more entertaining space, while chain-link fencing allows the ravine views to remain unhindered. The backyard also accessible via a tiered stone walkway from the front yard terrace. The side hall from the reception area also leads to a mudroom featuring tiled flooring, coat racks and a bench seat, access to the triple car garage, as well as one of 3 hardwood staircases in the home. 2 of these staircases lead to the lower level living spaces, the third carrying to the upper level, and all 3 having oversized windows at their mid landings. Broadloom adds coziness throughout the upper level, which showcases upgraded modern light fixtures, 5 very spacious bedrooms with private or semi-private ensuite washrooms, plus the convenience of a laundry room. The 5th bedroom has views of the neighborhood ravine and a walk-in closet. This, the 2nd, 3rd and 4th bedrooms all having space for sitting and or study areas, while the ensuite washrooms for these bedrooms all feature tiled floor and bath areas, as well as vanities with stone counters. 2 of these washrooms also having upgraded vanity lighting. The 4th bedroom has a vaulted ceiling above its window, a very spacious double closet, and a private ensuite washroom. The 3rd bedroom features a walk-in closet and shares with the 2nd bedroom a Jack and Jill washroom that has its bath and shower area contained within the water closet. While the 2nd bedroom has a wall recess with its window that makes an ideal sitting area and a spacious double closet as well. The hallway off the upper landing ends at the laundry room, which has a washer and dryer, a linen closet, cabinetry storage, and a tiled floor. And at the halfway point of this hall is the double door entrance into the private retreat of the master suite. South facing and overlooking the ravine setting, this light-filled personal haven has a 10-foot high deep tray ceiling with a candelabra-style chandelier, ample space for a sitting area, and 2 spacious walk-in closets. While its spa-like ensuite washroom showcases tiled finishes throughout, 2 vanities with stone counters and exquisite modern light fixtures, a freestanding tub, and a glass shower within the privacy of its water closet. The professionally finished lower level showcases upgraded flooring, plus 9-foot ceilings with crown moldings and updated light fixtures throughout. And off the main lower landing is the first of 2 bedrooms, This one featuring a double closet with organizers, hot lighting, and access to storage under the staircase. The huge recreation area is well suited for additional household living and entertaining space, or as an in-law suite for extended families. Its open concept layout featuring pot lighting and a large family media room with a stacked stone accent wall with media niches and a built-in fireplace. Along the south walls are wood ledges, plus 2 oversized above-grade windows that allow for abundant natural light and outdoor views, while the stunning bar area, which can also be used as a kitchen, showcases polished tiles finishing the floor and backsplash, an island with raised bar seating and pendant lighting, 2 separate stainless steel sinks, a bar fridge, stone counters, and cabinetry with extended height uppers, glass paneled accent doors and glass accent shelves, as well as interior and undermount lighting. Off the family room is a walk-in coat and storage closet, as well as a 3-piece washroom with upgraded tiled finishes, a glass shower with corner shelves and rainfall and handheld shower heads, plus a vanity with a stone counter. The lower level also accessible via the hardwood staircase from the main level mudroom, under which is more storage. With this level additionally having upgraded tiles finishing the floor associated with its walkout to the backyard, and a second bedroom featuring an oversized south-facing window and a walk-in closet. A short walk to Coach Park, and minutes from the Thixon Square shopping mall. This home is also close to Willows Walk Public and St. Clair Secondary Schools, as well as the Taunton Gardens and Smart Centres Whitby Northeast shopping malls. With the Heberdown Conservation Area, Trent University and Durham College campuses, golf courses, Whitby's beautiful waterfront along Lake Ontario, the GO Station, and access to highways 401 and the 407, all just short drives away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.